QVScriptor has multiple different repository connection types. So what we have here is the local file, we have the remote connection option called the WCF connections, and the database connections. So to explain it a little bit better, the local file is a locally created .qsproj file on your system that's saved in your app data folder. This is purely meant for single developers and that who want to develop and then deploy from their own machine into certain environments. Then next we have is the remote connection. Now this is a connection to the server component of QVScriptor, which would be running on a database, and this allows for concurrent user modifications and updates to scripts within the QVScriptor client. And then we have the database connection. This is typically used by the QVScriptor client installed on a server to create this database connection, but also can be used by a single user who wants to install their repository on a SQL database and work from there. So this allows to upgrade the database whenever there's a new release of QVScriptor, so on and so forth. But for the video tutorial example, we're going to use the local file. So I'm just going to create a new project, and as you can see, it's going to save it in its default location, which is in my app data under my user. So I'm just going to call this video guide. Click open. And what you'll always see is Scriptor will not allow to open without a username and password. And for each of the repository types, there is a default administrator user created there. And I'll show you in one of the next videos how we manage the users and how we can add and create other users. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with the administrator, and the password is QVScriptor, and click OK.